Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today I want to talk to you about a question that we get asked on occasion. What is the secret to success in couture? And secret is something that not everybody knows. It's misunderstood. It's a mystery. And I will let you in on the secret to success in couture. Have you ever wondered when you see a well-painted picture or a well-painted wall or a well-painted piece of furniture, or for that matter a well-made piece of furniture or a well-made instrument, do you ever wonder how they can get it to look so good when it's handmade? It's all the same process. It's all the same secret. What is the one thing that we all resist doing these days? We live in a world where everything is fast. We have to have fast results. If it's not fast, we give up on it. And this is particularly true in sewing, that if something is not completed within a day, or if you can't make a suit within a week, you feel like a failure and you're not doing your job. The secret to success in anything is all in the preparation. I would say, if I had to break it down, that it's 90% preparation and 10% of what you actually want to achieve. And this is true in couture, in sewing, it's true in painting, or it's true in painting a house, it's true in making a piece of furniture, it's true in making an instrument, it's true in everything. In the preparation, that's probably where we are a little bit foggy. What kind of things do we need to prepare? And that is what we teach here at the school. It's all of those little techniques. They're all in the preparation process to make something work. So we're setting students up for success, not for failure. So there you go. There you have it. The secret to success is all in the preparation.